Penghu is located in the Taiwan Strait within the Asia region. Made out of 90 small islands, the archipelago resembles a string of stunning pearls forgotten in the sea. 2018 World Congress of the Most Beautiful Bays in the World Club will be held in Taiwan Penghu Bay from September to October. The Carnival events will be held during the annual meeting. September 2018, International Carnival Opening Ceremony, Global Marine Areas and Harbor Cities Forum, International Oceanic Environment and Climate Change Conference, International World Heritage Stoneware and Basalt Conference, Research Symposium on Penghu. September to October 2018, the World Congress of the MBBW, Worldwide Cities Exposition, Low Carbon Island Bike Tour, Yacht Life International Expo and Yacht Life Festival, October 2018, International Carnival Closing Ceremony, the Evening of Entertainment of International Gulf Night, International Carnival Parade, Global Tourism Charity Queen Pageant, International Ironman Triathlon, Giardia Islands, Penghu Islands, Seafood Season, International Agriculture and Fisheries Fair. Welcome to Penghu.